All for sale. Lake Hills Harley Davidson. Like, it's amazing.
We're the kids in America. We're the kids in America. Everybody live for the music out loud.
Right folks, let's have a look around the South Dakota Aero and Space Museum. Look at these bad boys. Another beautiful day here in Rapid City. Anyway, I know that I'm going to turn this off now and go and have a good look. As you were at New Zealand. Fuck, I love America. Here we are at the Motorcycle Museum in Sturgis. Absolutely fantastic. And there's not even that many people here, which is good, so I can have a decent look around. So here we are folks in a place called Lingle, and it's bloody hot. Just a little town in Wyoming. We're still on our way to Cheyenne, got plenty of time. What a great ride, what a big country. Fuck, I love America. Right, here we are in Lingle. Lingle? We're the first Kiwis to put a pin in this map. How does that look? Bloody awesome.